Hey guys, welcome back to Ultimate Beauty on this sunny May day. As promised, I'm going to do a little look for you from the Lights of Festival palette by Too Faced and give a little review. So, without any further delay, let's get started. So, there are endless possibilities with this palette. The prettiest colors, perfect for festival season, picnics, summer parties. So there are endless looks. I'm going to do one really quick that I made up. These two shades here, I call them the cotton candy colors because I think that's like cotton candy blue, cotton candy pink. So I'm going to take this shade first. I think it's, yes, Artist Pass. On this little brush from Glamour dolls. Got little whales on it, it's real cute. I'm just going to put this through the crease and on the inner and outer lids. You'll see. Then I'm going to take this pink shade here, Young and Free, and put that in the center. Sort of like a windshield wiper motion for the crease. Back and forth. There's the shade Dusk, Teal, Dawn, and this little brush from Luxie. Just take that under the lash line. One of the cool things about this shade, Artist Pass, that's in the crease and inner and outer lid, is it reflects different colors. Sometimes it looks a little bronze, a little pink, a little blue. That's what I like about it. Then we're going to take the shade Beaming and put that on the brow bone and in the inner corner. These colors are so pretty. Oh, and side note, this is without any primer, so nothing to intensify it. This is just the shadows. This is how pigmented they are on their own. And what would a Too Faced look be without their signature mascara? Another great thing about this palette is there's minimal fallout. I mean, very little. I just need some concealer because I always make a mess with the mascara. And then another great feature of this palette is this beautiful highlighter here, Unicorn Tears. And I'm going to use this, in my opinion, unicorn inspired brush from somebody. I'll put it right here, if I can remember. So trying to get out of the sun, which sounds weird, but I have a skylight which presents a glare all the time. Hold on a second. So, in a beyond strange move to get out of the sun, I am now on my floor. So, I mean, at least there's no glare. So hopefully you can see the look better. Under my bed from this angle. The things I'll do for the right shot. I do not recommend this, but the other day I climbed on my dresser because I wanted a perfect shot of what I was taking a picture of. Don't try that at home. It could have ended very badly. So thank you for watching. Thanks for bearing with me through the sun glare and taking this bizarre tour of my room. Check out the blog. Check out the social media pages. Come back next time. Subscribe, watch, like. I'll see you next time with hopefully a new look for you. Alright, thanks. Bye. Oh, I forgot. I didn't really do much of a review. I said what I liked as I was going through, so just quickly sum it up. Too Faced Life's a Festival palette is beautiful. If I could marry a makeup palette, it'd be this one. Gorgeous colors. Perfect for any occasion, especially if you have some festivals or parties coming up. They're highly pigmented. This look that I just did, like I said, no primer at all. Great color payoff, very little fallout, tons of fun. Too Faced nailed it again. So if you want a little bit more of a review, check out the blog. Hopefully I'll remember to add the review part. Thanks for bearing with me through the glare of the sun and that I had to move 3 times. But you know, that's how it goes. Just gotta roll with it. So again, thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.